You're watching this because you're an exclusive YouTube channel member. In this video, I'll give you a prompt that will enable you generate viral style thumbnails and social media images with few clicks of a button. This prompt was expertly crafted and refined for days to make the process of creating YouTube thumbnails and social media posts effortless. How to use the prompt. Step 1. Copy the prompt by visiting the link in the description box below and save it in your Note app or Word document. Next, scroll down through the prompt till you see the blue arrow icon that says Topic of the Thumbnail. Enter the topic of the thumbnail there. The topic of the thumbnail can be your actual video topic or title, or just a general description of the image you want. Also scan through the other input settings in the prompt to see what else you'd like to tweak. Otherwise, just use the default settings. Next, copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT or Claude AI. Try both of them to discover the one that gives you better prompts. Next, scan through and choose the prompts you love and copy and paste them into the AI text-to-image generator of your choice. It is crucial that you only use AI image generators that have the ability to add or display text or captions accurately. My recommendations are Ideogram AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E. I personally love using Ideogram because it's free and one of the best. After pasting in the prompt into Ideogram, scroll down a bit and make sure you select the right aspect ratio as per your need or use case. For YouTube videos, choose 16:9. For Pinterest pins and other social media posts, choose 9:16. Then, generate your image. That's it. Make sure to try out most of the prompts generated to see which of the images you love. Don't forget to check out more exclusive AI prompts in our members area, and take care.